Hi friends, today I am giving a lecture on another example problem on a red block insertion, that is how to insert operation that can be performed on the red block tree. So these are the steps we have to follow while inserting elements into the red block tree. I am explaining through one example problem. So insert 2, 1, 4, 5, 9, 3, 6, 7 into the red block tree. Okay. So first of all, insert 2. Insert 2. Okay. So initially, red block tree is empty. Okay. So before inserting any elements into the red block tree, so red block tree is empty. Whatever the first element that is inserted into the red block tree, that node becomes the root node. Okay. So now initially red block tree is empty. I am inserting element 2 into the red block tree. This node becomes the root node. Okay. Any element that is inserted into the red block tree, that node is a red node and it is denoted by X. Okay. Next one. So this is a red block tree or not. Okay. Now we go to this step. The newly inserted node or current node. This is the newly inserted node or current node is named as X. Okay. It does not have any parent. It does not have any grandparent. It does not have any uncle. Okay. Next, go to this step. If X and Px are red, here X is red and Px is not there, its parent is not there. Okay, or root is red. Okay, here root node, the first node that is inserted into the red block tree, that is node 2, it is the root node. Okay, root is red. Now this condition is false. Only X is there, Px, its parent is not there. So this is false, this is red, this is true. True or false? True or false is nothing but true. Call any of the following cases. Now case A. If root node is red, this is root node is red, then color of the root node is changed to black. Now it can be changed to a black node, that is node 2 becomes the black node. So this is the node 2. It can be denoted by X and this is the root node. Okay. So now this is the red block tree. Okay. Next one. Next element is insert 1. Insert 1. So before inserting 1, only the red block tree contains node 2 only. Node 2 only. Next one. Now we are inserting element 1. So now element 1 is compared with the root node. It is less than the root node. If it is less than the root node, it goes to the left subtree. If it is greater than the root node, it goes to the right subtree. So here 1 is compared to 2. It is less than 2. Now it is inserted at the left subtree. So now 1 is inserted at the left subtree. So it is denoted by X. Because any node that is inserted into the red block tree, that node is a red node and is denoted by X. Now we have to draw the edge. Edges can be drawn either red color or black color. No problem. Okay. So now this is X. Its parent is Px. Okay. Now this is a red block tree or not. Okay. Now go to this condition. The newly inserted node or current node 1, it is denoted by X and its parent, one parent is 2, it is denoted by Px. Its grandparent. So node 1 does not have any grandparent, only it contains a parent. Okay. And uncle is Y. Here parent's sibling is not there or grandparent son is not there, so that uncle is not there. Okay, now go to this step. If x and px are red, so here x is red, px is black, this condition is false. Root is red, root is black, so now this condition is false, this condition is false. There is no need to go to case A, case B, case C. Okay, now this is the red block tree. Okay, so for checking the red block tree, root node is black node. So now this is correct. Any two consecutive nodes in a particular path contains red nodes. So no, this is black node, this is red node. Two consecutive red nodes are not there. Okay, so now this is the correct red block tree. Now go to step next element, that is insert 4. Okay, so before inserting element 4, so the tree is root node 2 and node 1 is there. Node 1 is there. This is the red block tree before inserting element 4. Now I am inserting element 4. 4 is compared with the element at the root node. It is greater than 4. Now it is inserted at the right subtree. So right subtree we are writing element 4. So it is a red node. It is denoted by x and we have to draw the edge. So now this is x, its parent is px. Okay, now this is a red block tree or not. Okay, so for checking the red block tree or not, first this is a root node is a black node. Next, second condition, in a particular path there are no consecutive red nodes. So consider this path, there are no consecutive red nodes. Consider this path, there are no consecutive red nodes. Okay. So now go to this step. The newly inserted node or current node named as x and its parent is px, and grandparent and parent sibling is not there. Leave it. Next, if x and px are red, no, this is false. X is red and px is black. Or root is red, root is not red. So that both are false, then there is no need of going to these three cases, case A, case B, case C. Okay, up to now this is the red block tree. Okay, next, what is the next element? Next element is 5. So insert 5. Okay, so before inserting element 5, so what is the red block tree? Existing red block tree, that is 2. Next, left hand side is 1 and right hand side is 4. Now this is the red block tree. Now we are inserting node 5. Okay, node 5 is compared with the root node. Okay, so 5 is greater than 2. Then go to the right side. So right hand side 4 is there. So 5 is compared with 4. It is greater than 4. So that we are inserting node 5 at the right hand side of node 4. Okay. Now we are getting this one. Okay. So node 5, this is newly inserted node. It can be denoted by x and its parent is denoted by px and its grandparent is denoted by gx. This is parent's sibling or grandparent son or daughter. This can be denoted by y. Okay. Now check this condition. This is red block tree or not. Okay. Now go to this step. The newly inserted node or current node is 5. It is denoted as x. Its parent is px, that is 4, and grandparent is gx, that is 2, and its uncle means parent's sibling or grandparent son is uncle. Okay, it can be denoted by y. Okay, next, if x and px are red, Here x is red and px is red. Okay, both are red or a root is red. So root is not red, root is black. So this is false and this is true. True or false? True or false is nothing but true. Call any of the following cases. Okay, so if this condition is true, then the following among the following cases, which case is true, that case is followed. Okay, now go for case A. If root node is red, no, root node is black. So case A is failed. Next, case B, red uncle condition. Here uncle is parent's sibling or grandparent's son. So this is uncle, this is red. Okay, red uncle condition means parent's sibling is red. So then it is denoted as red uncle condition. So this condition is true. Now we have to follow the case B. Okay, in case B there are three steps are there. First step, locate uncle as Y. Already this is uncle, parent, sibling or grandparent's son. This is denoted as a Y. Next, make the color change. Okay, make the color change means grandparent as red, uncle and parent as black. Okay, so now this is grandparent. So it can be changed to red color. Next one, uncle and parent as black, grandparent as red, it can be changed from black to red. Next, uncle and parent as black. Here uncle is 1 and parent is 4. These two are changed from red to black. Okay. Next one is node 5. So node 5 is this one. Okay, so this is x, this is px, and this is gx, and this is y. Okay, next step, make the color change. These two steps are for move x to gx. So now this x can be moved to gx. Okay, so this is the step after performing case B. This is the red block tree. Okay, now this is a red block tree or not. Okay, so first, if x and px are red, so if x and px are red, no, or root is red, so root is red, yes. So this is false, this is true. False or true is nothing but true. Then call any of the following cases. First one, if the root node is red. So here the root node is red. Color of the root node is changed to black. So now this color of root node can be changed as black node. Okay. So now 2 is become from red to black. Okay, so now we have to check this is a red block tree or not. So root node is black. Next, any path contains two consecutive red nodes. This path does not contain any two consecutive red nodes. This path does not contain any consecutive red nodes. So that this is the red block tree. It satisfies the binary search property. Okay, so 1 is less than 2, 4 is greater than 2, 5 is greater than 4. Okay, now we go for insert element 9. Insert next element, that is 9. Before inserting element 9, this is the red block tree. After inserting 2, 1, 4, 5 elements. So now we are inserting element 9. First, 9 is compared with 2. So 9 is greater than 2. Go to the right subtree. Next, 4. 9 is compared to 4. 9 is greater than 4. Go to the right subtree. Next one, 9 is compared with 5. 9 is greater than 5. So that go to the right subtree. So now we are inserting node 9 at this place. Okay. So now the newly created node is red node and it is denoted by x and its parent is denoted by px and its grandparent is denoted by gx. X grandparent is gx. Okay. Next, here parent sibling or grandparent son is not there. Okay. Now this is a red block tree or not? This is not a red block tree because in this path two consecutive red nodes are there. Okay. Now we have to check this condition. The newly inserted node or current node is X. Its parent is Px. Its grandparent is Gx. And uncle, here uncle is not there, parent's sibling or grandparent's son is not there. So uncle is not there. Next, go to this step. If X and Px are red, here X and Px are red nodes. Okay, overall root is red. Root is not a red. So this is false, this is true. True or false is nothing but true. Call any of the following cases. Case A, root node is red. No, root node is black. Then case A is failed. Go to case B, red uncle condition. Here any red uncle is there. Here uncle is not there. Parent sibling or grandparent son is not there. So that case B is failed. Then case C, no uncle or black uncle condition. Here no uncle is there. Okay, no parent sibling is there. So that this condition is true. We have to follow case C. On case C, there are two cases are there, case 1, case 2. Which case we have to follow? That is X, Px, Gx on same side. So this is X, this is Px, this is Gx. All are on the right side. So X, Px, Gx are on the same side. Then we have to use case 1. Because case 1 is true, X, Px, Gx on same side. So we have to follow these two steps. Change the color. Okay, which color we have to change? Okay, so color, go to the color change. Okay, here grandparent is red. So here grandparent is 4. So it can be changed as grandparent as red. Uncle and parent as black. Here uncle is not there, only parent is there. Parent is black. Okay, our remaining is same. 2 here, 1 is there. Okay. Next 9, there is no change. There is no change. Okay. So now, after changing the color in case 1, go to second step, opposite side rotation. Okay, this is what is rotate. This is right. Okay, so this is right and this is right. Then we have to move left rotation. Okay, so after moving the left rotation, the final tree is getting. So here 4 can be moved to this side and 5 can be moved to root node. 5 is root node. 5 left hand side is 4. 5 right hand side is 9. It is like RR rotation in aerial tree. So finally we are getting, so this is node 2 and this is 1. Okay, after performing the left rotation, so 4 can be changed to down. So 5 is root node. Okay, and so 4 is left hand side of 5 and 9 is right hand side of 5. Okay, so this is the tree we are getting. Okay, next, this is a red block tree or not? Okay, so first it is a red block tree because root node is black node. Any path we are consider, any path does not contain two consecutive red nodes. In this path, 2 consecutive red nodes are there. In this path, 2 consecutive red nodes are not there. In this path, there are no 2 consecutive red nodes. Okay, all paths does not contain any 2 consecutive nodes, so that it becomes a red block tree. Okay, so if this condition is true, then follow these 3 cases, case A, case B, case C. If this condition is false, there is no need of go to case A, case B, case C. Okay. So if this condition is failed, our red block tree is correct. Okay. Check one. If x and px are red. Okay. Here x and px means x is 9, px is 5. Okay. So there are no red nodes. Okay. Our root is red. Root is not red. Both are false. So then there is no need of going to case A, case B, case C steps. Okay. So this is the finally we are getting the red block tree after inserting element 9. Okay. Now we go to insert 3. Okay. Now insert 3. Okay. So before inserting 3, so what is the red block tree we are getting? So this is node 2, this is node 1, this is node 5, and this is left hand side is node 4 and right hand side is node 9. Okay. Now we are inserting node 3. Okay. So node 3 is compared with the root node. So 3 is greater than 2. So go to the right subtree. Next 5 is there. So 3 is compared with 5. 3 is less than 5. So go to the left subtree. Next here 4 is there. 3 is compared with 4. 3 is less than 4. Go to the left hand side. It is empty. Now we are inserting node 3. So newly inserted node is red node and it is denoted by x and its parent is denoted by px and its x grandparent is gx. Okay. Grandparent son or parent sibling is y. Parent sibling is y. Okay. Now, so this is a red block tree or not? Okay. First, the newly inserted node or current node is 3. It is denoted by x. Its parent is px. It is 4. Grandparent, x grandparent is gx. It is 5. And its uncle, parent sibling or grandparent son, that is 9. That is denoted by y. Okay. Next, if x and px are red, here x and px are red. This condition is true. Or root is red, root is false. So this is true, this is false. True or false is nothing but true. Then we are going to these 3 cases. If any case is matched, that case is executed. First, case A. If root node is red, no. So root node is black here. So case A is failed. Case B. Red uncle condition. Here uncle is parent's sibling or grandparent's son. So that is 9. So it can be denoted by y. It is red node. So red uncle condition. So case B is true. Okay. Now we have to follow these 3 steps. Next, locate uncle as y. So here locate uncle as y. Next, make the color change. Go to this color change step. Grandparent as red. Here grandparent is 5. X grandparent is 5. So 5 is black node, that can be changed to red color. So grandparent color can be changed from black to red. Uncle and parent as black. Here parent is 4, this is red node, it can be changed to black node. Here uncle is red node, it can be changed as black node. Okay, now this is the tree we are getting after performing case B, first step and second step. Next, make x to g of x. Here this is x, it can be changed to make x to g of x. So now this is the red block tree we are getting. Okay, finally. So now this is a red block tree or not. Okay, root node is. Now we are checking the this tree is a red block tree or not after performing case B 3 steps. Okay, here root node is black node. Okay, any path from root node to leaf node does not contain any 2 consecutive red nodes. This path does not contain any 2 consecutive red nodes. this path does not contain any two consecutive red nodes. Okay, this path does not contain any two consecutive red nodes. Okay, check, this is failed. There is no need of go to these three steps. X and Px are red. Okay, so this is X and this is Px, both are red. False. Root is red, root is not red. So this condition is failed. Then there is no need of going to these three steps. Okay. Now after inserting node 3, this is the red block tree we are getting. Now insert node 6. Insert node 6. Okay. Node 6 can be inserted at which place? Okay. So before going to that, the tree is 2, 1. So this is 4. This is 9. Okay. This is 5 and this is 3. Okay. Before inserting node 6, this is the red block tree. Okay. Now I am inserting node 6. So 6 is compared with 2. It is greater than 2. Go to the right hand side, that is right subtree. Here 5 is there. 6 is compared with 5. 6 is greater than 5. Go to the right hand side. Here 9 is there. 9 is compared with 6. So 6 is less than 6. Go to the left hand side. So there are no elements are there. We are inserting node 6. We are inserting node 6. It is denoted by X. Its parent is denoted by Px. And its grandparent is denoted by Gx. Okay. Now, this is a red block tree or not. Okay. Now consider this step. The newly inserted node is 6. It is denoted by X. Its parent is Px. Grandparent is Gx. And its uncle. So that is parent's sibling. Parent's sibling. Here parent's sibling is this one. Grandparent's son is this one. So this is, it is denoted by Y. Okay. So its uncle is Y. Parent's sibling, grandparent's son. Okay. Now, if X and Px are red, here X, Px, here X is red and Px is black. So this condition is false and root is red. So root is red. So root is also not red. Root is black. So both conditions are failed. Then there is no need of going to these steps, these three steps. So now, so this is a red block tree after inserting node 6. Okay. Next, go for node 7. Okay. Insert 7. Before inserting 7, this is the red block tree we are getting. Okay. Now, where we are inserting node 7. Node 7 is compared with 2. It is greater than 2. Go to the right subtree. Here 5 is there. 5 is compared with 7. So 7 is greater than 5. Go to the right subtree. Here 9 is there. 9 is compared with 7. So 7 is less than 9. Go to the left subtree. So here 6 is there. 6 is compared with 7. So here 7 is greater than 6. So the node 7 is go to the right hand side. Here it is empty. Now we are inserting node 7 at the right of node 6. Okay. So now this is newly inserted node, that is X. Okay. Next, it is its parent is 6. It is denoted by Px. And its grandparent is denoted by Gx. Okay. Now, and its grandparent son or parent's sibling. So this is a Y. Okay. Now, so So go to this one. The newly inserted node or current node is X. Its parent is Px, that is node 6. Grandparent is X, grandparent is Gx, that is node 9. And its uncle sibling is not there. This is parent sibling here it is empty. Grandparent son is not there. Okay, so that uncle is not there. Next, if X and Px are red, here X and Px are red, or a root is red, root is black. So this is false, this is true. True or false is nothing but true. Call any of the following cases. Case A, if root node is red, false. Root node is black, so this case A is failed. Case B, red uncle condition. Here uncle is not there, grandparent son or parent sibling, so it is not there. So case B is failed. Go to case C, no uncle or black uncle condition. Here uncle is not there because grandparent son or parent sibling is not there. Okay, now go to this step. So case 1, if X, Px, Gx on same side, so no, X, Px, Gx are not on same side. Px and Gx on the left hand side, Px and X are on the right hand side. So this case is failed. Go to this case, X, Px, Gx on opposite side. Yes, X, Px is C, case 2 is satisfied. Okay, now move X to parent. Okay, so this is X, this is Px. So first step is move X to parent. So move X to parent, or Px Gx side rotate X. X can be rotated to Px Gx side because Px X is there on the right hand side and Px Gx are on the left hand side. So X can be moved to Px Gx side. So or X can be moved to parent. Okay, whenever X can be moved to parent, what we are getting? Okay, so this is the tree we are getting. So this is 9. Here 7 can be moved to this place and 6 can be moved to downside. Okay, now we are getting 7 here this place and 6 is going downside. So this is we are getting. X can be moved to this place, Px can be moved to downside, X can be moved to this place, then we are getting this one. Okay, the remaining is same. Okay, the remaining tree does not change. This is 2 and this is 5 and this is 9 and this is 1 we are getting. Okay, next one, 5 left hand side is 4 and 4 left hand side is 3. So this is the tree we are getting. Okay, so after performing step 1, so next one is perform case 1. Okay, so perform case 1. Go to case 1. So case 1 is X, Px, Gx are on the same side. Now X, Px, Gx are on the same side. Okay, now what are the steps we have to follow? Change color. So change color means go to this step. So grandparent as a red. Okay, so now grandparent can be changed as a red. Next step is grandparent can be changed as 9. Next one, uncle and parent as black. Here uncle is not there. Okay, parent is 7. 7 can be changed as black. Okay, and the remaining 6 is not changed. 6 is not changed, and here 5 is there. This right hand side 9 is there. Here 4 is there, and this is a 2 is there, and here 1 is there, and next one is 3 is there. Okay, so this is 3. Next, change color is completed. Next, opposite side rotation. Okay, so these are on the same side. We have to perform the opposite side rotation. So this is left is there. Then we have to move right rotation. Okay, so now we have to move right rotation. So then we are getting this step. Finally, these steps we are getting. Okay. After performing the right rotation, what we are getting? 9 can be moved to down, 7 can be moved to up. So now 7 can be moved to up. Okay. So left hand side is 6 is there. Okay. Right hand side 9 is there. Right hand side 9 is there. Next one is here 5 is there. 5 right hand side is 7 and 5 left hand side is 4 and that left hand side is 3. Okay, next one is root node is 2 and this is 1. Okay, so after performing case 2, in that case 1 we have moved to x to px. Okay, this can be done. After that perform case 1. Case 1 is x, px, gx on same side. Change color. So color can be changed as, parent can be changed as red color to black color and grandparent can be changed as black color to red color. After performing the color change, then opposite side rotation. Okay, we have to perform the here left is there. We are going to perform right rotation. Whenever we are performing right rotation, middle node becomes the root node and 9 can be middle node can be becomes the root node and 9 is right hand side of 7 and 6 is left hand side of 7. So then finally we are getting this is the tree. Okay, so now we have to check whether it satisfies the binary search tree property or not. So 2 is the root node, 1 is less than 2. Go to the left hand side, it is inserted. It is empty so that it is inserted. Next 5. 5 is greater than 2. Go to the right hand side. And 4. 4 is compared to 2. 4 is greater than 2. Go to the right hand side. Here 5 is there. 4 is compared with 5. 4 is less than 5. Go to the left hand side. Next 3 is there. 2 is compared with 3. Go to the right hand side. Here 5 is there. 3 is compared with 5. 3 is less than 5. Left hand side. 4 is there. 3 is compared with 4. 3 is less than 4. Okay, 3 is inserted at the left hand side of 4. Next one, 7 is there. 2 is compared with 7. It is greater. Go to the right hand side. Here 5 is there. 7 is compared with 5. 7 is greater than 5. Go to the right hand side. Okay. Now 6. 6 is compared with 2. It is greater. Go to the right hand side. 6 is compared with 5. So it is greater. Go to the right hand side. 6 is compared with 7. It is lesser. Go to the left hand side. It is empty. It is inserted. Okay. 9. 2 is compared with 9. It is greater. Go to the right hand side. 9 is compared with 5. It is true. Go to the right hand side. 9 is compared with 7. 9 is greater. Go to the right hand side. It is empty. It is inserted. Okay. So this is the final red block tree. First we have to check if it is satisfies the red block tree or not. Okay. So if x and px are red, here this is x and this is px. This is gx. X and px are red? No. This is false. Root node is red. Root node is black. Okay. So now these two conditions are failed. So now there is no need to go to case A, case B, case C. Now consider any path contains two consecutive right nodes. This path two consecutive right nodes are not there. This path, 2 consecutive right nodes are not there. This path, 2 consecutive right nodes are not there. This path, 2 consecutive right nodes are not there. Okay, so this is the finally we are getting the red block tree. So final red block tree. Final red block tree after inserting all the elements 2, 1, 4, 5, 3, 6, 7 and 9. Okay. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share this video to your friends and classmates. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel name. So Divvela Srinivasarao. Thank you.